If you've never tried a deep margin elevation band, you need to. This is one of the simplest ways to manage deep margins, and it is affordable. Today I'll walk you through a quick case to show you why I use these bands. This tooth was still vital. After removing the restoration and the decay, I confirmed there was still solid dentin covering the pulp. So I chose to restore instead of performing endodontic therapy. The challenge was the gingival margin. It was deep, below enamel, hard to isolate, hard to bond, so this became the perfect case for deep margin elevation. These are the deep margin elevation bands from TashMed. They work in about 90% of cases. They're faster and easier than trying to adapt a Toffemar, and they cost about $2 per band. I mean, it's crazy how cheap they are. There are still many brands available, but these have been the most cost-effective in my hands. Once the band is placed, I removed any trapped tissue between the band and the tooth. Then I elevate the margin with resin-modified glass ionomer. Now the margin is super gingival and I can isolate. I can bond predictably. This case required a large restoration, so I completed a cuspal coverage restoration in one appointment. That's the workflow, simple, predictable, and inexpensive. And if you do DME, try a dedicated band and see the difference for yourself. What do you use for deep margin elevation? Put it in the comments.